They're going to build a Tri-State Gas Engine Show, Portland, Indiana, third week in July every year. It's the 57th annual. The construction section's the biggest it's been that I've ever seen. There's a couple drag lines over here. Some nice buckets from the day. Tractor display. There's a town trolley over here. Not sure what they have planned back here. Looks like they're doing some kind of an inspection or registration back here even. A very big hodgepodge of tractors. I think they're somewhat organized. A 686. Beautiful. From a distance anyway. There's only like one or two customs that are usually in here. They really tend to keep them stock. So, I'm going to say that Ford 5000 is inspired from Belarus. Just the way it looks. I haven't really put them two and two together, but there's an airport tug. From someone's painted red, which is a custom. I thought I just said that, but that sure looks like a foreign tractor, and Ford's a global company. None of it's American hardly. Anyway, I don't know why I'm looking at this tug. It just seems kind of useful. Or more than it is. It is international, huh? Well, I used to work on these, so. Nice parking job here. He's towing his in. Some of those. Now these ones run like a striped ass ape. I mean, yep. But yeah, it says it right here. International Harvester, Chicago, Illinois, 1942 shop mule. And it's a local unit. Wow, that thing is, this one belongs in a showroom. They're older tires though, yeah, you didn't put, kind of a rare looking one in a way, I don't know, very old tractors. A pink one, no, just a faded out. No, there's a backhoe one, an industrial Ford one over there, but it doesn't have a backhoe, it's just a loader tractor. Quite a few people in their golf carts cruising this lot. Yeah, you want to be sure and walk back here during the show. There's the flag over yonder. In the other corner, we're in the far corner. The flag's in the extreme other corner. Nice show tractor there. Beautiful one, never new. I'm not sure this has like a plow in the front of it, or to put bicycles or water skis or something on there. I don't know. Yeah, that G21, that's the one. But this is where the Gravely guys usually set up, which this is a good quiet spot over here. This rig looks familiar. And here's the trailers for the guys that haul this stuff in, the gooseneck lot. Kokomo. No, I don't know. Those aren't cheap. They seem pretty proud of them. It looks a lot like a Wander bus, doesn't it? $620. Looks like a rare AC. We're not going to get to see those international little dump trucks back in there. A couple guys getting down to business, stealing something or something. So those are pretty rare right there. Not too many people had something like that. Not many produced or anything. And not many of these around anymore either. And the value's not too good. And the tractors in general, the The charts don't look good. They look pretty bad. And they are dangerous. Yeah. There's one of the, it's a propane. It's kind of the lone custom tractor in here. Big Blues here again. Kind of in the same area. It's drawing in some attention. Someone needed a tractor, so they built their own. It looks like a school bus frame. What's over in that far road? That's a horse barn. They have a tent for some members. Some nice red tractors over there, some beautiful ones. And some pretty Fords. Some Ollies. Some rare tractors. A 300, that's a cute one. The 400, like new. The Randolph County Antique Club truck over there. Flatbed. They still make a tractor like that today. Used to see a lot of them in the parades, but not lately. She's got a baby. She's got a brand new baby. Breaking in her in early. It's in her arms. She's pretty proud. You know, and that's where the value is at. It's a lot of this stuff's not. The market's way off on it. And people want nothing to do with these tractors. The green ones, those are 460. Tricycle front end ones. 66. Some beautiful Ollies made here in Indiana. These are made in Europe. The Powermaster, and there's a Workmaster, the GB. It's a funny little machine there. And we're over back to the sawmill. Thanks for watching, Burger Rippy. Portland, Indiana. He's got a buzzsaw in the front. His age. That way you can get some use out of them. If the tractor's not dangerous enough, you got a buzzsaw to hurt yourself with. Right there. Boom. Jay County Fairgrounds, Portland, Indiana.